Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be clean with me. Recently we renovated our kitchen, and the mess it made in my bedroom was actually amazing. So this video is me cleaning after we finished the renovation and actually got everything cleaned up in there so I could officially clean up my bedroom. Right now I'm just taking the sheets off my bed, and I'm going to wash those, and in a few minutes, or a few seconds I guess, in YouTube magic time, you will see my cat join me. Okay, so after I took everything off my bed, I started taking everything down to the laundry room or wherever I was going to stash it while I was cleaning. And then after I took all my bedding downstairs, what I did was clean out all the stuff that we had from the kitchen in my room, like the Gatorade and the water that you can see, and thank God that didn't come back into my room, because I didn't realize how much of a mess that's made. And I'm playing with the cat in this clip. And now that it's finally warm enough around here, I did decide to put away my space heater. It's so nice to be able to put this away. Okay, so here I'm putting up my hair, so now we're really going to get down to business. I'm going to finish clearing out my room so I can actually clean the entire thing. And I recently did a deep clean of my bedroom, and since this isn't really a deep clean, I will link that somewhere in the cards or in the description box below. Okay, so at this point is when I'm actually going to start cleaning. Well, after I turn on my music. And in a few clips you will see me dancing. And in a few clips you will see me singing, and yeah. Because if I'm cleaning, I'm listening to music and having fun while I'm doing it. And of course the cat has to watch my every move. Okay, get ready for it because I think it's coming up is when I'm going to start dancing, and yeah. Okay, so now I'm cleaning off my desk and I'm going to clean out the window as well. I did take the curtains out of the window, but I do not know what happened to that clip. Okay, so now my least favorite part of cleaning, vacuuming. I don't know why I hate to do this, but I do. So what's your least favorite part about cleaning? I'd love to know. Tell me down in the comments. Okay, so now the fun part of hanging the curtains back up. Well, actually, I hung up another pair of curtains I had because I had the thick curtains on, and now I'm putting on the thin ones for summer. And this is so weird, but the thin curtains actually block out more light than the thick ones do. Okay, so now putting all the stuff back on my desk. And actually, I think some of these end up out of order, but who cares? Okay, so now to making my bed. This is actually my favorite thing to do because it's just so nice to be able to put some clean sheets back on my bed. I was actually going to change out the sheets this time too, but I decided I'm going to stick with what I had on there because those are my favorite lately, and I really didn't feel like switching out to black ones. Okay, so if you watch my channel, you know I keep a sheet over my hope chest so it doesn't get scratched or destroyed by the cats. So here I'm just putting the sheet back over the hope chest. And yeah. And finally, I'm going to finish making my bed. The comforter wasn't exactly dry when I put the sheets on, so I had to wait for that to get done. But with the bed being made, this concludes this cleaning video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you have not done so, to hit the red subscribe button down below. And if you want more cleaning videos, totally let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.